Hello everyone, nice to see you all after a long time. So, today we are going to talk on a very important topic, and this video is going to be very interesting. Do you know what will make this video interesting? So, I'll tell you, I have a beautiful presentation for you to understand the topic more clearly. So, let's start. Once again, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanjana Shivdayal Soni, and our today's topic is Geographical Indication in Biodiversity. So, first, let's understand the meaning of the topic, that is, geographical indication and biodiversity. Geographical indication, that is GI, is a sign that identifies a product as originating in a given place. It states that particular product belongs to a particular place. Now, biodiversity. So the first thing which comes into our mind by listening this term is green forest, beautiful flowers, sounds of the birds chirp. How we all used to enjoy and always wish to return it again and again. But now the time has come to protect this biodiversity from getting destroyed. Now, question arises, how this biodiversity is being protected by geographical indication? And what is the relation between GI and biodiversity? So basically, the geographical indication have a very valid relation with the biodiversity. Because, take for example champagne, which is used to indicate a special type of sparkling wine which originates in the brandy form, the French region around the town of Cognac. As Cognac is full of biodiversity and is placed where wine can be grown, then it is plateau where certain things can be grown, and this indicates its biodiversity with GI. Also, India has taken the lead in protecting its origin-based products and associated traditional knowledge through the promotion of GI with a sui generis protection system that is registered as a model for other countries. India passed the GI of Good Act in 1999, which entered into force in 2003. GI are commonly used for products like handicraft, industrial products, agricultural items, and foodstuffs. Until now, there have been more than 430 GI tags in India. Among them, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra are the top 5 states that hold maximum number of GI tag. Now, let's come to an example of GI. The very first example is Darjeeling tea. Do you know, this was the first GI registered under the GI Act. And our second example is the most interesting and delicious, that is Rasogullas. It is always said that sweets come at the end of the meal and bring about happiness in a person's life. But can you believe that Rasogulla has threatened the relationship between two friendly states, Odisha and West Bengal? Yes, both the countries were claiming that Rasogulla is from their origin. But really, to answer this question was as difficult as to answer what came first, the chicken or an egg. The battle of Rasogulla versus Rasogulla till date has not come to an end, despite both the states getting separate GI tag for their own type of Rasogullas. Some more examples are Manipuri black rice, Kandhamal haldi, Bikaneri bhujia, and Agra petha. Now, sometimes we also often get confused between GI tag and trademark. This both seems to be bit similar, but note, both are different. Here are the few points that distinguish both. GI identify a good as originating from a particular place. By contrast, a trademark identifies a good or service as originating from a particular company. A trademark often consists of a fanciful or arbitrary sign, whereas GI is usually predetermined by the name of geographical area. Finally, a trademark can be assigned or licensed to anyone anywhere in the world because it is linked to a specific company and not to a particular place. Whereas a GI may be used by any person in the area of origin who produces the good according to specified standards. A GI cannot be assigned or licensed to someone outside the place or not belonging to the group of authorized producer. Now, we also have a question in our mind that who and how can one apply for the GI tag? Can everyone register for this? The answer is no. As we have seen in the last point of distinguish between, so we know that the individual cannot apply for the GI tag. It is must that association of person, producer, organization or authority established by or under the law can only apply for this. The application must represent the interest of the producer. The application should be written in the prescribed form and the application should be addressed to the Register of Geographical Indication along with the prescribed fee. So, till now, we have seen what is geographical indication, what is biodiversity, relation between GI and biodiversity, distinguish between GI and trademark, and also examples of GI, how and who can register for the GI tag. But do you know why should one obtain GI protection? Many people and associations across the globe often get confused while thinking about whether it is worthwhile to obtain GI protection or not. I will tell you some of the benefits of registering a GI which will help you in understanding its importance. Firstly, it enhances the economic growth. It expands the business. Also, it increases the tourism. And the most importantly, it prevents the unauthorized use of GI tag. Now, let's come to a last point. Yes, last but not the least. Suppose you have registered once for a GI tag. So, will it be valid for a lifetime? If no, then for how long will it be valid for? The answer to this question is 10 years. Yes, it can be renewed from time to time for further period of 10 years, but if a registered geographical indication is not renewed, it is liable to be registered. Here are the few references which I referred to prepare this presentation. Thank you everyone. If you found this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all soon.